Good morning, student. Hi there. Can you hear me? Now, welcome back to our English class. I am your English teacher. My name is Teacher Kwan. Nice to see you again. Alright, student. Now, are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Good job, student. Alright, and today we are going to have fun together with our new wonderful story. Are you excited?
Yes.
Teacher feels so excited too. Alright, student, but before we get started with a new wonderful story, we are going to sing and dance together. Do you want to sing and dance with me?
Yes, teacher.
Now let's stand up. We are going to sing and dance together. Let's begin with the first song. And this song is called Hello Song. Now let's stand up, stand up. Don't forget to stand up like this. And then count 1 to 12. 3, 4, 5,
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Can you stretch
Let's
your
stretch high.
Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you
Then
say
you will say
hello?
hello. Good job, do it again. 1, 2,
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet? Can you
And
stretch
then
your
stretch
high?
high.
Can you touch your toes? Can you turn around? Can you say
You will say
hello?
hello. Good job, do it again.
Hello, hello. Can you clap your hands?
1, 2, 3.
Hello, hello. Can you stamp your feet?
1, 2, 3. And then you will say hello. Excellent. And now let's move to the next song. This song is called Stop Cat. Do you know how to sing and dance with this song? Stop Cats.
Yes, teacher.
Great work. Now let's sing and dance together. Don't forget to stand up again.
That cat is so naughty. Oh no! He ran into the living room. Oh no, stop! He ran into the bedroom. Oh no, stop! He ran into the kitchen. Oh no, stop! He ran into the garden. Oh no, stop! How naughty my cat is! Oh no, stop! He ran into the living room. Stop, cat, stop! He ran into the bedroom. Stop, cat, stop! He ran into the kitchen. Stop, cat, stop! He ran into the garden. Stop, cat, stop! Oh no! Stop, cat, stop! Oh no!
Good job, students. Now let's move to the next song. And this song is our entry song. Now let's sing and dance together.
English, English, ABC. It's time to play. Let's go, 1, 2, 3. Let's play with English. Brown English. Hello, kids. Sing and dance. It's time to start with Kids, Kids, Brown English.
And welcome back to Brown English class.
Thank you, birds.
Alright, student, and this is our new story. The title of this story is Listen Carefully.
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. This is our new wonderful story. But before we are going to see our story, let's answer the questions. Alright, student, now let's answer the question. So, let's begin with the first question. Listen carefully. This question is, how are you? How are you? So, student, how are you today? How do you feel? Are you sad? Are you sad?
No, teacher.
Oh, you say no. If you are not sad, what about this one? Are you angry? Angry? Are you angry?
No.
Oh, you say no. If you are not sad and you are not angry. Oh, what about this one? Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy?
No, teacher.
Oh no, again. So, how are you today? What about this one? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
If you say yes, this time you would say, I am happy. Your turn.
I am happy.
Wonderful. Now let's do it again one more time. Students, how are you today?
I am happy.
Great work. Now let's move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully.
How's the weather?
And repeat these questions after me.
How's the weather?
How's the weather? Your turn.
How's the weather?
Can you answer this question? How's the weather? Now let's look at the window. Look at the outside and then tell me, how's the weather?
It's rainy.
Today, is it rainy? Rainy. Is this rainy? Is this correct? Yes or no?
No, it's not rainy.
Good job. No, today is not raining. If it's not rainy, what about this one?
It's snowy.
Today, is it snowy? Is it snowy?
No, teacher.
Oh no, again. That's it. Today is not snowy. And what about this one, students?
It's windy.
Today, is it windy? Is it windy?
No.
Oh no, it's not windy. And what about this one?
It's sunny.
And what about this one, student? It's sunny. Today, is it sunny?
Yes, teacher, it's sunny.
Good job. Yes, that is. This one is the correct one. Today is sunny. Now, let's listen to this sentence and then we are going to repeat it. Listen carefully.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Good job. One more time and louder, please.
It's sunny.
It's sunny. Your turn.
It's sunny.
Wonderful. Now we move to the next question. And this question is, listen carefully.
What day is it today?
Now let's repeat this question after me. What day is it today? Your turn.
What day is it today?
Can you answer this question? What day is it today? Tick tock, tick tock.
Today is Sunday.
Today is Sunday. Is this correct? It would be yes or no.
No.
No, well done. Today is not Saturday. Let's find out another answer. What day is this today?
Today is Tuesday.
And what about this one? Today is Tuesday. It would be yes or no.
No, teacher, it's not Tuesday.
Well done. No, today is not Tuesday. And what about this one?
Today is Friday.
Today is Friday. Is this correct? Yes or no?
No.
Oh no, today is not Friday. So, students, what day is this today? What about this one?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. What about this one? Is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
It would be yes, that's it. This one is the correct one. Today is Saturday. Now, listen it again and then repeat it.
Today is Saturday.
Today is Saturday. Your turn.
Today is Saturday.
Excellent. Alright now, student. Back to the screen. Now, student, look at the screen. Today, we are going to have fun together with a new wonderful story of...
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds. Alright, student, now tell me, what do you see from the screen? What is this? What are they?
Bird.
Birds. Good job. And look at this. Oh, they are family. And now we have the little boy and then his mom and his dad. Now, are you ready to see our story?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, then let's move to the story box. Let's pay attention.
Storybox.
Thank you, birds.
I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have?
We have one orange, but that's for Mom.
Oh, they have just only one orange, but that's for his mom. Oh,
Dad,
take a look.
Stop! Stop!
Oh,
Go away!
stop, go away. That bird has stolen his
That
orange.
orange was for Mom.
Oh, he crying.
Oh, poor boy. Let's help him. Oh, I have an idea.
Oh, the birds, they are going to help this poor boy. Let's take a look.
Stop.
Stop! Stop! Go away!
What are they, Dad?
Alright, and now, and the next day in the morning, they are waking up and then this boy, he's asked to his dad, what are they, Dad, at the outside? Look at the window. What are they, Dad? Now, let's check it out together. What are they? Guess what, student? What is this? Can you guess?
Orange.
Oh, it's maybe orange. Now, let's check it out together. We'll see.
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
Oh, good job. It's an orange tree. They have a lot of oranges.
What are they, Dad?
And this boy, he is asking to his dad and the back one. Look, what are they, Dad? Guess what, student? What are they? What is this?
Tomato.
Tomato. Yes, maybe. This one is tomato. Now, let's check it out together with this one. Oh, let's see.
Wow! They are apples.
Oh, they are apples.
It's a big apple tree.
It's a big apple trees. Oh, now they have.
What are they, Dad?
Now take a look with the yellow one, student. And then guess what? What is this, the yellow one? What kind of fruit in yellow?
Banana.
Banana. Oh, maybe. Now let's find out together with this one.
These are
Good
bananas.
It's a banana tree.
These are bananas. Wow, they have a lot of fruit.
Mom, look! I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Have some apples.
This one have some apples.
Let's have together.
Thank you, birds.
Finally, they said, thank you, birds. And end up of this story. Now, this poor family, they have fruit enough for the members of the family. Alright, student. Now, let's take a look with the story one more time. And this time we will go by slowly. Now let's pay attention.
Thank you, birds.
Thank you, birds.
I'm hungry, Dad. What do we have?
We have one orange, but that's for Mom.
Alright, student. Now let's look at this little boy. Now he getting hungry. And then he asks his dad, "Oh, Dad, I'm hungry. What do we have?" But now, student, let's look at this orange tree. It has just only one orange. And his dad say, but this one orange was for his mom. Oh, poor little boy. Let's take a look.
Dad, look!
Stop! Stop! Go away!
Oh, but now they are unlucky. The bird has stolen their fruits.
That orange was for Mom.
Oh, it's so sad. He is
Poor boy.
crying.
Let's help him.
Now, the birds have listened about that. Poor little boy, they are going to help him.
Oh, I have an idea.
So let's take a look.
Stop!
Stop! Stop! Go away!
What are they, Dad?
And now, move to the next morning. They don't know that the birds help them. Now, they are waking up and then the boy, he asks to his dad, "What are they, Dad?" And then, let's take a look.
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
They are oranges. It's an orange tree.
What are they, Dad?
And the boys, he asks to his dad again. What are they, Dad? The red one. Can you remember? What are they, student?
Apple.
Apples. Good job. Now let's check it out. Good job.
Wow! They are apples!
It's a big apple tree.
It's a big apple tree. They are apples.
What are they, Dad?
And what about the yellow one, student? Can you remember? What is this?
Banana.
Good job. These are bananas. Now let's see.
These are bananas.
These are bananas.
It's a banana tree.
Wow, it's a banana tree. Now they have a lot
Mom,
of
look. I have oranges, apples, and bananas.
Have some apples.
Let's serve together.
And now they have some fruits together.
Thank you, birds.
And finally, they say thank you, bird, for helping them. Alright, students, end up of our story. And then the next part, we are going to learn the new word from the story. Can you remember some of words from our story?
Yes.
Good on you. Now, let's going to learn the new word with our workbook.
Word box.
Alright, students, in this part, we are going to listen the words for 2 times and then we are going to repeat it 2 times. Now, let's begin with the first word over there. Listen carefully.
Orange. Orange.
And this word is repeat after me. Orange. Orange. You turn.
Orange. Orange.
Great work. And then let's spell this word orange. Orange is begin with O,
O.
R,
R.
A,
A.
N,
N.
G,
G.
E.
E.
Orange.
Orange.
Wonderful. This one is orange. And now let's move to the sentence. And this sentence is, listen carefully.
They are oranges.
Repeat after me. They are oranges. You turn.
They are oranges.
One more time, please.
They are oranges.
They are oranges. You turn.
They are oranges.
Well done. Alright, and now let's move to the next word. And this word is
Banana. Banana.
alright now let's repeat this word after me. Banana, banana. You turn.
Banana. Banana.
Good job. And now let's spell this word banana. It begins with B,
B.
A,
A.
N,
N.
A,
A.
N,
N.
A.
A.
Banana.
Banana.
Excellent. And then move to the sentence. And this sentence is,
They are bananas.
repeat after me. They are bananas. You turn.
They are bananas.
One more time and louder, please.
They are bananas.
They are bananas. You turn.
They are bananas.
Great work. Alright, now we move to the next word. And this word is
Peach. Peach.
and then let's repeat it. Peach, peach. You turn.
Peach. Peach.
And let's spell this word peach. It begins with P,
P.
E,
E.
A,
A.
C,
C.
H.
H.
Peach.
Peach.
Well done, peach. And move to the sentence. And this sentence is,
It's a peach.
repeat after me. It's a peach. You turn.
It's a peach.
Get great work. Now we move to the next word. word is, let's listen carefully.
Apple. Apple.
Repeat this word after me. Apple, apple. Your turn.
Apple, apple.
And then let's spell this word apple. It begins with A,
A,
P,
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 L,
L,
E,
E,
apple.
apple.
Good job. And then move to our sentence. And this sentence is,
They are apples.
they are apples. Your turn.
They are apples.
One more time, please.
They are apples.
They are apples. Your turn.
They are apples.
Well done. Now let's move to the next word. And this word is
Lemon. Lemon.
repeat after me. Lemon, lemon. Your turn.
Lemon, lemon.
And let's spell this word lemon. It begins with L,
L,
E,
E,
M,
M,
O,
O,
N.
N.
Lemon.
Lemon.
Well done. And move to our sentence. And this sentence is,
It's a lemon.
repeat after me. It's a lemon. Your turn.
Is a lemon.
Well done. Alright, student, now we move to our last word. And this word is, listen carefully.
Delicious. Delicious.
Repeat after me. Delicious. Delicious. Your turn.
Delicious, delicious.
Good job. And let's spell this word delicious. It begins with D,
D,
E,
E,
L,
L,
I,
I,
C,
C,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U,
U,
S.
S.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Excellent. Delicious. And then now we move to the sentence. And this sentence is,
They are delicious.
repeat after me. They are delicious. Your turn.
They are delicious.
And then one more time, please, student. And this time you have to speak louder.
They are delicious.
They are delicious. Your turn.
They are delicious.
Great work. Alright, student. Now we have learned all of the new words over there already. And then the next part, we are going to practice our exercise with the workbook. Alright, student. Now please blink your workbook or your worksheets beside you. We are going to do this exercise together. And please open your workbook on page 4 and 5. Page 4 and 5 is look like this. Alright, student. And this exercise is different types of fruits. Don't forget to file your pencil. Maybe you can use some crayons or colors. Alright, student. And this exercise, we are going to match the words over there. Now, teacher has 6 words. We are going to match the words to the correct pictures. Alright, student, now are you ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's do it together. Look at this yellow one. This word is banana. Student, repeat after me. Banana. Your turn.
Banana.
Good job. We have to find the correct picture that's matched to this word banana. Which one is banana, student? The red one. Is this banana?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not correct. And what about this circle? Orange one.
No.
Oh no, it's not banana. And what about this yellow one?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. This is the correct picture, banana. Now, let's match this word to this picture by drawing the line dot to dot like this, banana. Alright, student, keep following. And then we move to the next word. Look at the pink one. And this word is, repeat after me, orange. You turn.
Orange.
Good job. We have to find out the correct picture that match to this word orange. Which one is orange? Student, the red one. Is this orange?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about the circle one? Is this orange?
Yes.
Yes, that is. This one is the correct one. This one is the picture of orange. Now, let's connect this word to this picture by drawing a line. Again, dot to dot like this. Keep following, student. Now, we move to the next word. And this word is, repeat after me, apple. Your turn.
Apple.
Alright, student, now let's find out which one is apple. Which one is the correct one? The yellow one? Is this apple?
No.
Oh no, it's not matched. And what about this red one?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, good job. This one is picture of apple. Now let's connect the line dot to dot again. Like this. Alright, keep following. Now, have you finished with this part?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. Now let's move to this part. And the same direction, student. We are going to match the word to the picture again. Now, let's start with the green one. And this word is, repeat after me, lemon. Your turn.
Lemon.
Good job, student. Now, let's find out the correct picture. Which one is lemon? Look at this one. Is this lemon?
No.
Oh no, it's not lemon. And what about this one? The circle one?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not lemon. And what about the yellow one? Is this lemon?
Yes.
If you say yes, good job. This one is the picture of lemon. Now, let's connect this word to this picture. Lemon. Drawing the line like this. Alright, now have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Good on you. Now we move to the next word. And this word is, repeat after me, peach. Your turn.
Peach.
Good job. Student, back to you. Let's find out the correct picture that match to peach. This one. Is this peach?
No, teacher.
Oh, no,
It's not.
It's not. Good job. And what about this one? Is this peach?
Yes, teacher.
If you say yes, that is, this one is the picture of peach. Now, let's connect this word to this picture. Peach. Drawing the line like this again. Alright, student. Now we move to the last word of this part of the exercise. And this word is, repeat after me, grapes. You turn.
Grapes.
Excellent. And then, only last picture. Which one is grapes? This one. Is this grapes?
Yes, teacher.
Good job. Alright, now let's match this word to this picture. Grapes. Drawing the line again like this. Alright, student, keep following. Now, have you finished?
Yes, teacher.
Excellent. Alright, now we're done already with this part of activities. And the next part, we are going to practice more with the
Student book.
student book.
What do you like?
Find and circle the fruits in the picture. I like apple.
Alright, student, and this activity we are going to find and circle the fruits from this picture. From this picture, we have to find the fruits. And let's begin with the first one. And this sentence is listen and then let's repeat it.
I like apple.
I like apple. Your turn.
I like apple.
Good job, student. This sentence is I like apple. And then we are going to find the apple from this picture. We have to find the apple from this picture. Alright, student. Now let's help me to find some apples of this picture. Which one is apple? Oh, this one. These are apples?
No.
Oh no, they are not. And what about these red? These red ones. Is this apple?
No again.
Oh no, again. And what about the yellow one? Is this apple?
No, teacher.
Oh no. And what about this chair? Oh, it's the red one.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Alright, if you say yes, now let's check it out with this red one. Is this apple?
Apple.
Apple. Oh,
Super.
super.
I like apple.
This one is the correct one. I like
I
apple.
like grapes.
And we move to the next one. And this sentence is listen carefully.
I like grapes.
I like grapes. Your turn.
I like grapes.
Excellent, student. And this part, we are going to find the pictures of grapes. Look at the screen, student. Where is grapes? This one, is this grapes?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about this yellow one? Is this grape?
No again.
Oh no. And what about these lamps? Oh, it's in purple. Is this grapes?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, if you say yes, now let's check it out together with this lamp.
Grapes.
Grapes.
Good work.
Good work. Grapes.
I like grapes.
I like grapes.
I like watermelon.
Move to the next one. And this sentence is
I like watermelon.
repeat after me. I like watermelon. Your turn.
I like watermelon.
Good job. Now, student, let's find out the picture of watermelon. Where is watermelon? This orange one. Is this watermelon?
No, teacher.
Oh no, it's not. And what about the red one? Look, is this watermelon?
Yes, teacher.
Alright, if you say yes, now let's find out with this picture.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
Good work.
Good work.
I like watermelon.
I like watermelon.
I like strawberry.
And now we move to the next one. And this sentence is
I like strawberry.
repeat after me. I like strawberry. Your turn.
I like strawberry.
Good job, student. And this part, we are going to find a picture of strawberry. Where is strawberry, student? The yellow one. Is it strawberry?
No, teacher.
Oh no. And what about the red one again? Is it strawberry?
No, it's not strawberry.
Oh no. So where is strawberry? Oops, what about the red one? Is it strawberries?
Yes.
Let's check it out together.
Strawberry.
I like strawberry.
I like strawberry.
I like orange.
And we move to the next one. And this sentence is
I like orange.
repeat after me. I like orange. Your turn.
I like orange.
Great work. Now let's find out the picture of orange. Where is orange? These purple ones.
No.
Oh no, it's not orange. Where is orange? And what about this one? Is this orange?
Yes, teacher.
Alright then, let's find out together.
Orange.
Orange. Good job.
I like orange.
I like orange.
I like banana.
Alright, now we move to the next one. And this sentence is
I like banana.
repeat after me. I like banana. Your turn.
I like banana.
So, student, back to you. Let's help me to find out the pictures of bananas. Where is bananas? Guess what, student?
Is it sofa?
Is this sofa? And what color is this?
The yellow.
The yellow. Oh, this one. Alright, and then let's check it out together with the yellow one.
Banana.
Banana.
Super.
Super.
I like banana.
I like banana. Alright, excellent. Alright, student, now we have done already with this part of activities. And then the next part, we are going to learn how to sing and dance with our song. And this song is called Yummy Yum Yum. Alright, student, for the first time, let's listen carefully with this song. Yummy Yum Yum.
Yummy yum yum.
Let's have a fruit party.
Wow!
Apples,
Apples,
bananas,
bananas,
juicy, fresh, yummy.
yum yum,
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
yum yum.
Let's have a fruit party.
Wow!
Oranges,
Oranges,
grapes,
grapes,
juicy, fresh, yummy.
yum yum,
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
yum yum.
Alright, student, and then we are going to learn how to sing this song. Yummy Yum Yum. Alright, student, now let's repeat after me for the first section of this song.
Let's have a fruit party.
Repeat after me. Let's have a fruit party. Your turn.
Let's have a fruit party.
Excellent. And then the next part.
Apples,
Apples,
bananas,
bananas,
Apples. Your turn.
Apples,
Apples.
apples,
Bananas.
bananas,
Bananas.
bananas.
Good job. And then the next part.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
yum yum,
Repeat after me. Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum yum.
Good job. And one more time, please.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
yum yum,
Alright, sing it again. Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum yum.
Good job. And move to the next part. This part is sing. Listen carefully.
Let's have a fruit party.
Repeat after me. Let's have a fruit party. Your turn.
Let's have a fruit party.
And then the next part.
Oranges,
oranges,
grapes,
grapes,
Repeat after me. Oranges,
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 grapes,
grapes,
grapes.
grapes.
Good job. And then the next section is.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
yum yum,
Alright. Repeat these sections twice. Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum yum.
One more time. Juicy, fresh, Yummy, yum, yum. Your turn.
Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum.
Good job. Alright, student. Now let's stand up. We are going to learn how to dance with this song. Alright, stand up for the first section. This part.
Let's have a fruit party.
Let's have a fruit party. You have to act like this. Let's have a fruit party. Like this. Alright. And then the next part.
Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
Apples, apples. You have to look like this. Apples, apples. Like this. Like make your hand look like an apple. And then bananas. Bananas, you have to act like this. Bananas, bananas. Good job. And then the next part.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy. You have to act like this. Juicy, fresh, and then yummy. Yummy. And then yum, yum. You have to act like this. Yum, yum. Good job. Do it again.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Do it again together. Juicy, fresh, yummy. Yum, yum. Excellent. Alright, let's practice more.
Let's have a fruit party.
Do it again. Let's have a fruit party. Good job. And then the next part.
Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
Oranges. Oranges. You have to act like this. It's like the same action to the part of apples. Yes, you have to move its circle. It looks like an orange. And then grapes. You have to act a small O like this. Grapes. Grapes. Good job. And then
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
do it together. Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum. One more time. Juicy, fresh, yummy, yum, yum. Excellent, student. Alright, and then next part.
Warm up.
Now you know how to sing and dance with this song. Yummy, yum, yum already. Now let's sing and dance along together with the chant. Now stand up, student. Let's sing and dance together.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Excellent, student. Let's do it again one more time. And this time, don't forget to sing it louder.
Let's have a fruit party. Apples,
Apples.
bananas,
Bananas.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Let's have a fruit party. Oranges,
Oranges.
grapes,
Grapes.
juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Juicy, fresh, yummy.
Yum, yum.
Wonderful, everyone. Alright, don't forget to practice how to sing and dance with this song. Yummy, yum, yum. So today is time's up and then we have to say goodbye. Now let's sing and dance with our last song. This song is called Goodbye Song.